Every year, hard-working, dedicated public servants are celebrated for excellence in the execution of their duties. These Civil Servants of the Year are nominated by their peers and selected by the Civil Service Week Steering Committee in the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service. The request for nominations is usually sent out in September, with the selection and announcement made in late October. The prestigious awards ceremony is then held during Civil Service Week in November. The event has had its profile elevated with not just one, but 3 categories awarded, since First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union Limited (FHC) took over the role of main sponsor and organizer in 2019.
Different categories would bring different strengths. So we opened it up and we decided that to increase the participation, to get more persons being nominated, etc., we would open it up and award 3 different categories.
Acting Director of the Jamaica Information Services Research, Print and Production Division, Celia Lindsay, is one of 3 persons selected as the 2019 Civil Servants of the Year. She was awarded for the category of Management. Customer Service Manager at the Administrator General's Department, Sophia Levy, won in the Middle Management category, while Administrative Assistant with the Jamaica Defense Force Coast Guard, Candice Henry, topped the Technical Support category.
I feel good to know that I'm appreciated, and the Civil Servant Steering Committee could have chosen me to represent for the Technical Support category.
And so really and truly to be chosen as the Civil Servant of the Year for 2019 is indeed a great honor.
Each awardee received a plaque, citation, and $200,000 cash prize. In addition, they were allocated $150,000 for a joint community project. As part of their reign, the 2019 Civil Servants of the Year upped the ante and executed 2 community charity projects instead of the usual one. The trio spearheaded the retrofitting of the Homestead Place of Safety for Girls dining area with tables and chairs in July. It made the Stony Hill facility a little more homely for the 40-plus girls living there.
The ladies are excited. They're really excited. They have owned this room. They have identified the space and have identified their own corners, and have already said how they're going to be treating and taking care of it. And we really look forward to them preserving and taking care of the furniture that has been provided.
The Civil Servants of the Year raised $96,574 in cash and kind to add to the $150,000 received from First Heritage for the project. The donations came in the form of extra chairs from Carlisa Limited, tablecloth, window valances and painting courtesy of the Kingston Seventh-day Baptist Church, and tokens for the girls from the Administrator General's Department, Ministry of National Security, Jamaica Information Service, and Jamaica Defense Force.
We're tremendously excited because this is a project that was earmarked, something that we've been working on, and for the team of ladies and First Heritage to come on board to collaborate with our agency to provide this for us, we're tremendously grateful.
And we're very satisfied with the project that they have selected, and we're very happy that they have chosen the Homestead Place of Safety, and we encourage them to continue the relationship that they have with this institution.
National Baptist Basic School on Greenwich Street in Kingston also felt the wave of love and caring gesture of the 2019 First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union's Civil Servant of the Year awardees. Well-needed supplies were donated to the institution, including a printer gifted by a generous citizen and $50,000 from Sagicor to purchase school desks and chairs.
We decided on this project wanting to give back to the children. We believe in molding the minds, helping to mold the minds of young people. And so when we heard of the school in need, we jumped on the assistance.
Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances Limited also partnered with the outstanding civil servants to gift the school with $200,000 worth of sanitizers and a desktop computer.
We are very involved in education at all levels. So over the last 6 years, we have been sponsoring various schools. We decided to partner on this project because we are very, very concerned and about, the fact of what's happening now, and we want to be a part of the solution.
Items from the Administrator General's Department were also donated, while the JIS provided Jamaican heritage chart and booklets for the students.
I must observe everybody who took time out, especially in this time of a pandemic, to really think about us.
I think in this time now, persons need to rally around each other, and the fact that we can go out and to contribute to a school that is in need at this time, I think will greatly impact the children and the administrators there.
Really and truly, it was quite satisfying to be able to serve our nation and our nation's children in this manner.
It has been a wonderful experience to interact with persons who I didn't know before, and we've been able to come together through this award to do something. And what is really very special is that we're also, as we contribute to the nation through our desks at the various entities, we are also now giving back to entities that are also supported by the government of Jamaica to improve on the quality of care.
The two projects at Homestead Place of Safety for Girls and the National Baptist Basic School set a model of philanthropy for future awardees to emulate.
Each person must intentionally navigate to a range of choices daily in order to make a difference and to expand the field of opportunities for themselves and others. As we purposefully engage in activities, we form lasting linkages. And over time, we expand our spheres of influence and build bridges that bring us closer and allow us to influence and transform the lives of people everywhere. To you, our kind-hearted sponsors, our colleagues, our family, our friends, who've extended the reach of your arms to the recipients of the 2019 Civil Servants of the Year, we thank you.